We have a number of identities that sort of ripple outward, and the first is really as beings in a universe that's alive, and it's our connection to the cosmos. And that's, I think, the most important one, because that's our spiritual health and our spiritual connection. And that often comes through our connection to the land, because the land is what gives us life. So in order to really have that connection to the cosmos, I think you kind of have to go through the land. Everything alive is in a process of transformation. We're either feeding or being fed. You know, the other creatures that are around us. Almost every single rock on the planet was once part of a living creature. And then, you know, the oceans dry up and the tectonic plates shift and the ocean floor becomes exposed. It turns into land again, and then it's taken up by living creatures again. So most of the molecules on this planet have been through that process multiple times, which is to say that we're all made of this earth, and the earth is made of us. And we're all one cell in space. You know, we're one living organism. So in order to have that spiritual connection to that sort of vaster realm of the cosmos, I think it's just got to go through the land, because that's where the transformation is, that's where the mystery is, and that's where, you know, those moments of life and death and rebirth and regeneration, that's where it all begins. That's why we're alive. So that's why I think the land is so important. And I think the cultures that really were able to be sustainable long term knew that, and they knew how to be humble participants. And industrial civilization has certainly lost that connection, and pretty profoundly. So in order to have any chance of this region surviving, of this continent surviving with any life on it, the planet as a whole surviving as a living being, we are going to have to remember the places that we live and learn how to participate again inside those living communities.